Daniel. Ano sa tingin mo ang characteristics ng dalawang leading men na pwedeng ma-fall si Max?
Si Max kasi, I think Max is a very compassionate character, but she also is very morally strong. So she always makes it an effort to do the right thing. And I feel like, so ano siya, parang perfect balance siya ng heart and head. So I feel like, si JB kasi mas siya yung logical, and he also is the one that leads the team pag wala si contractor. So I feel like that's something similar that Max has with JB. And si Andres naman, yung decisions niya are motivated by emotions. And very compassionate din ang character ni Andres. So I feel like yun din ang similarity ni Max kay Andres. So I feel like if I were to think about those things that they have in common, siguro yun yung mag-form ng mas strong na bond with Max and JB or Max and Andres.
Actually, marami nanonood na young girls and actually really love your character. Do you have anything to give advice to the young girls who aspire to be a Max someday?
Sila magpabangs.
Other than magpabangs.
Aside from the bangs.
Other than that, kasi, you know what? One thing that I'm really proud of also here in Cognito is both Gab and Max's characters are very strong, empowered women. They're very independent. And talagang makikita mo throughout the show na they're equally as skilled as the male characters. And that's something that I really, really am happy about. So I feel like, hopefully, I hope, diba, seeing Max and Gab's characters, I hope, inspires young girls to have that same, or to feel empowered and to be inspired, to be independent and to be go-getters and to go for what we want and to have that fearlessness about Max and Gab. So siguro yun lang. I feel like it's about being fearless as well, being brave, and owning and embracing that independence.
I love that answer. Thank you for that wonderful, a little bit of the truth.
We're very happy as a creative team, as the creators and the director, everybody. We're very happy that the audiences are engaged, not just in the action scenes, or the contracts, or the job missions, but in each and everyone's personal journeys. And as we've seen, yung paghahanap ni Andres sa kapatid niya, isa pinaka-importanting art talaga ng Palamas. So we are very happy that the audiences are engaged in his quest for his brother. So I wouldn't want to spoil anything about his...
Hindi talaga siya sasabi.
Pero as we've seen in the trailer that there is a major step in Andres' search for his brother that he will encounter in Japan. So let's just wait what happens during that moment and the true identity of June.
Thank you, Sir Jay. Kailangan tayo manood, guys. Abangan natin kasi ayaw magsalita ng ating creative manager. Okay, Daniel, my question is, our contractor?
Team, good job, team. Good job. Hello po. Good evening. Good job, team. Tapos na ba? Tapos na mga kalaban? Okay. Very good. Alam niyo naman, as contractor, pag ubos na mga kalaban, kabako konsultuin kayo. Kaya maraming salamat. And I hope you're all excited for this Japan, the Japan farts. And thank you.
Talagang sa last question ka talaga po. May question pa kami. May pahabol na question for you, Sir Ian. Your character as contractor is still very much a mysterious character.
Actually, it's also a mystery to me. No, really, because the character evolves. As it evolves, I'm also in the process of discovering dahan-dahan mo lang nakikita yun as an actor, yung past niya, yung nakaraan. And it's a journey to not just self-discovery, but also to discover him. Yun.
Ang creative.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, I just asked everybody kung ano yung pakiramdam ninyo na 4 months na kayo ngayong umi-airing ay top 10 at palagi kayong most watched Netflix and I Want TFC. Ano yung masasabi mo sa audience as a thank you?
Ako, laging lahat ng makausap ko na, na sinusubaybayan nila, nagka-thank you ako sa kanila kasi nga, hindi namin expected na gano'ng maganda yung magiging resulta. And lahat ng mga hindi pa nahuhook, sinasabi ko na, kung ayaw niyong maubos sa oras niyo, huwag niyo na simulan. Kasi mahuhook talaga kayo. When you see, like 3 to 4 episodes, wala na, hindi niyo bibitawan. So,
Episode 59 actually is showing right now, so you guys watch after. Thank you, Sir Diaz.
Thank you.
Before
Thank you din. Maraming pong salamat sa lahat ng nanonood at sumusubaybay sa Incognito. Like I said earlier, we're all very, very proud of the work that we've done here. And it's all thanks to, of course, my co-stars, the production,